morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Again, I welcome all of you for our online class, day 13. We have completed our chapter 3, the starting point. Today, we will do explanation of the question and the question answers. First of all, I would like to inform you that you all have to choose the correct answer to complete the sentence on your textbook. You have to tick the correct. Then question answers you have to write on your fair copy. Write question, then answer. Okay? So, let's start our class today. Please, all you have to open your book and see the book, page number 23. Page number 23. Understand the text. A. Choose the correct answer to complete this sentence. I will read the question and answer. There are three options are there, A, B, C. I will read the answer. First question. On finishing 6, Milkha Singh was overwhelmed with joy by answer option B. All the cheering from friends and strangers alike. Question number 2. Milkha Singh was surprised that he was chosen to run the 400-meter even because answer of A. He had never before run a 400-meter race. Third question. The Eureka movement helped him. Answer option A. Decided that he wanted to run for India and to make his country proud. Next, question number 4. Milkha Singh was not disheartened that he came fourth in the 400-meter event because answer option A. He had run the race with India's best athletes. Question number 5. Milkha Singh practiced every night because answer option B. He wanted to be a champion in the 400-meter race. You had to do this on your textbook. Next, we'll go to answer these questions. First question, I will read it for you. What was the big treat that Milkha Singh looked forward to? Why does he call it a big treat? Let me read the answer. The big treat that Milkha Singh looked forward to was a glass of milk. He was looking forward to a glass of milk. Okay, he called it a big treat because he belongs to a poor family and did not get opportunity in his childhood to drink milk. In childhood time, he never gets a glass of milk to drink. So, it was a very big treat for Milkha Singh. Is it clear answer? Yes. Question number 2. Luck was with me that day. Do you think it was merely luck that helped Milkha Singh that day? Why or why not? Answer. No. It was not merely luck. Okay, it was not a merely luck. He gave his best shot and tried hard to run very fast. It was his effort that helped him that day. Because he has done very hard work for that. He put his effort on that. So, this answer is, it is not luck. Third question. Who was Gurudev? Why was Milkha Singh so grateful to him? Answer. Gurudev was Havildar and also the inspector of Milkha Singh. Gurudev was a Havildar and also the inspector of Milkha Singh. Milkha Singh was so grateful to him because he believes that it was Gurudev's training method that helped him to become a world-class athlete. Okay, Gurudev was a very good man. He was a Havildar and also as an inspector. Because of his hard work, Milkha Singh became a world-class athlete. Okay, which I sent to your PDF question answer. You had to do one correction. Question number 3. Gurudev was a Havildar and who? I am giving there who. There is not a who. Also. Okay, Havildar and also the inspector of Milkha Singh. Question number 4. So running a quarter mile was far too easy. Why did the speaker find it so easy to run a quarter mile? Why then did he continue to train hard? What did this practice help him achieve? Okay, answer. The speaker found it easy to run a quarter mile because he was used to run 6 miles every day. It is a very easy because in here we'll see only he has to run quarter mile. Already Milkha Singh used to run 6 miles every day. So it is very easy. Then next, he continued to train hard because he wanted to improve his time. He always continuously he wanted to practice because he wanted to become a good athlete or world-class athlete. Then his practice helped him to run 400 meters in less than a minute. Because of his practice, make him as a very good runner, and within minutes he used to run 400 meters. Question number 5. They had an air of power and prestige about them. Who was the speaker talking about? Why did these people have an air of power and prestige about them? Answer. The speaker was talking about the athletes who wore vests with India written on them in bold letters. Milkha Singh was talking about the people, those who were wearing about the athletes who wore vests with India written on its bold letter. Okay, people and air of power and prestige about them because they have represented India in international sporting events. It is mentioning here he talked about the people, those who are going to participate international sports events. Then question number 6. What rule of thumb did Milkha Singh follow in practicing for the 400 meters race? Why did he call it a rule of thumb? Answer. In practicing for the 400-meter race, he ran one round at the highest possible speed, rested for a while and then run another one. Here we'll see what is a rule of thumb. Rule of thumb means there is not any practical way. It is based on himself. He guiding himself as a for the betterment of his 400-meter race. Here we see first he will run highest of his speed, then he used to take a rest. After again he will run. It was his practicing method. He called it a rule of thumb because he did not know the technique needed to run a 400-meter race. Because he don't know, उनको पता नहीं है कैसे करना है, क्या करेंगे उनको पता नहीं था. So he made as a rule of thumb. 7th question. How did Milkha Singh meeting with Brigadier S.C. Vora change his life? What, in your opinion, could have made Brigadier S.C. Vora take those decisions to help Milkha Singh? Answer. When Milkha Singh was spotted by Brigadier S.C. Vora doing his regular practice. When Milkha Singh was doing his practice in night on ground, Brigadier S.C. Vora met him. He was free from doing fatigue duty anymore from the very next day. Because of the meeting, he got the privilege. Okay, he don't want to do any fatigue duty anymore. He was also given better facilities. Not only that, he got very good facilities, a nutrient diet and special attention. Who got? Milkha Singh got. This incident opened up a new world for him. It made for a new world for Milkha Singh. Because of he don't want to do any fatigue duty or any another duty. He got very sufficient time for his practicing. In my opinion, Milkha Singh dedication and hardness for his work could have made Brigadier S.P. Vora take this decision to help Milkha Singh. Because of Milkha Singh dedication and hard work, it changed S.P. Vora's mind. So he took the decision and I had to help Milkha Singh. Okay, I hope you all clear this question and answers. If any queries, you can send a message to our query group. Not only that, you must do all the work in regularly or on time. Then not only that, you have to write your name each pages of your homework. Okay, bye. We will see next day.